Good morning, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Greetings and salutations. Today is the 4th of July. Mom is getting her ribs ready. She has no more hickory seasoning.
Liquid seasoning.
Uh-oh.
That's good.
But she has her special rub made right here. If you guys want her recipe, you have to ask her on her Instagram. It's Hadrian's mom. It's linked down below.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. If you guys want to take a screen cap of this right there, just screen cap that.
I corrected all the, I put all the...
And she put like the actual ingredient amounts that she changed.
Yes.
So make note of those. So that way you guys have her recipe. Yay! Okay, delicious. So excited. These ribs are literally the best, you guys. We're so super duper excited
yummy
for this. So yeah, so that's what's happening right now. Mom's getting that ready. I'm gonna do some sort of 4th of July thing on the table. Also, all of our cushions are still being washed right now. So
being dried.
Being dried because
Air-dried.
they're being air dried. So it's taking a gazillion years. But this is the state of the living room. No one can sit here except for like this one seat.
We have no visitors.
But I'm gonna get this table ready. Oh, my hydrangea is dying right there. Oh, I think it's out of water. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get this ready. Okay, you guys, there was actually a back page to the ingredients or instructions. So, screen cap that as well. Or just head over to Mom's Instagram too. I'll have her posted on there. Alright, you guys, I have to show you what Mom is making right now. So she actually made like this taquito concoction. She mixed together the chicken and cheese and spices and all that stuff. And then now she's going to quickly cook them on the cooktop. Then we're going to air fry them for taquitos.
No, we're not going to...
No?
We're not going to cook them in the cooktop. We're just warming the...
Oh, she's just warming the taquito or the tortillas. Okay, just kidding.
And we're using corn tortillas.
Corn tortillas. Is that egg wash or not oil?
This is oil.
Okay. So we're really excited. This is Mom's first time making this and it already smells and looks delicious. I cannot wait to try these. Again, the recipe is going to be on her Instagram. It's Hadrian's mom. This one she got from, who was the guy that you got this recipe from?
Sam the cooking guy.
Sam the cooking guy. So we're trying it out for the first time and I am super duper excited. My mouth is watering. Alright, here's our first little batch. We're going to throw it in the air fryer right now. Alright, I just threw the taquitos into the air fryer, so I'm really excited to see how these taste. These are our preliminary ones, so Mom and I are going to make these first, taste them, and make sure they're good before she makes the rest. Alright, you guys, here are our taquitos. We're going to try them right now and see how they are. I'm really excited about this. You guys, it is so good. Highly recommend. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
So good. We also have some guacamole right there, too. Alright, you guys, just got to Albertsons. We had a watermelon that went bad that we were supposed to cut today and we were so sad. So I'm going to get some watermelon right now as well as a few other things for Mom to complete today's festivities. So I'm just going to run in really quick. I think I might get some like festive popsicles too for the boys. They're available right now. And yeah, see you guys inside. Alright, we need some iceberg lettuce. I think this is a good one. And we need some cilantro. Oh my gosh, I was freaking out. I thought they didn't have any watermelon. I think they're over there. Wait, those are not very big. Oh no, there's no big watermelons. Never mind, I found them. Blind, but yes. So the way I look for watermelon is I knock on them, and when they sound hollow like that, that's when they're supposed to be sweet. So I think this one sounds good. That one doesn't. No. No. That one sounds the best. Now, I don't know if that is like an actual thing. I think I heard it once on the Food Network, but it's always worked for me so far. I mean, usually the ones that I pick are pretty sweet, so. But if anyone has like a more foolproof way, I know something about looking at this, like the sides, like if this is brown or I don't even know. That mud pie ice cream cake looks and sounds so delicious. This is literally my favorite ice cream right now, so I'm gonna grab one of these because it's on sale. Alright guys, I just got back home. The kids are out there swimming. They're all pointing at me to open the door, but I'm not because it's hot. Alright, so for the children, we're letting them pick pool floats, whatever they wanted. I bought a bunch that went on sale a few years ago at the Goodwill. So I have this glitter donut one. I have this 18 pocket suntanner mat. Whoa. Whoa, they picked like the biggest ones. The pool is just gonna be full of floats. Yep. Oh well. It'll be fun. Whatever. It'll make them want to go swimming even more. So John's gonna blow them up right now and it's gonna be a blast. John, Tana, deliver the pool floats to your little angels. Do you know the pool float man, the pool float man, the pool float man? Okay, John, you give her the plants.
But I'm only gonna lay in the sun.
You want to float? Oh, Lysel, get over there so that you don't. And be careful, don't trip. John, you don't need to wear your slippers. Just wear your feet. Just wear your feet, governor. John, the roses. Whoa. All right, Zach. Lay on it so you don't get wet. It's just windy. Where's that? Get on, hold it. Go. 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 It's okay. Get on. Yeah, go. I'm filming you getting on, but just lay down, put your head over here. There you go. You're already on. You're already on. There you go. Alright. You guys are all set. Well, the kids are having the time of their lives out here with their floats. Let me show you guys what's happening inside the house real quick. Also, we just set this up the other day. The plants are literally thriving so intensely. They've all like perked up a million times since putting them out here. Like they're already doing really well inside the house, but now they're just looking so fantastic and they all look really, really happy. Inside here, you can already see that Mom is taking a picture of something. Something looking delicious. Let's see what it is. Ooh, so the watermelons that I got from the store, literally so good. Mom, tell everyone how sweet the watermelon is.
The best I've ever had in a very long time.
So Mom cut them up in little flowers. We wish we had stars. Couldn't find any star shapes. So we did flowers with some blueberries. We got the red, white, and blue going on. And right now I'm gonna set up the table for dinner. And here we have Mom. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so yummy. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. So these taquitos are like the most delicious ever. I have a couple more cooking up in the air fryer right now.
Okay, there you go.
And here we go. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. That looks so delicious. Mmm. So we have our chicken taquitos with avocado, some tomatoes, some, what is that? Cilantro, red onions.
Cilantro.
Yummy. And then some lettuce on the bottom. The food is almost complete. Just gotta get the rice and the beans. Okay, guys. The food is all set up. We're super excited and ready to eat. I love it. Cannot wait to dig in. Everything looks so delicious. Guys, I literally have 2 plates of food. So I have the rice, I have the beans, I have some of the meat. Then over here I have my ribs and I have one of the, what are these called again?
Taquitos.
Taquitos. I keep wanting to say frutas since we were talking about them. So yummy. I'm so excited. Okay, time to dig in. I'll see you guys later. Gotta eat. Hey guys, okay, so I am ending the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. It was so much fun. Hope you guys all had a happy 4th of July. Just finished kind of cleaning up the kitchen for the most part. Dining room. All good. Hope you guys had fun and enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys all in the next video tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. Alright, bye guys!